County in central Florida, northwestern Polk County in central Florida, northeastern Hillsborough County in west central Florida, until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Zephyr Hills North, or 7 miles east of Zephyr Hills, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lakeland, Polk City, Whistler, Rockridge, Kathleen, and Gibsonia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.